have bought a boat. This is my new boat. I'm gonna give you a tour. This is my kitchen. I have an island. Yes, an island.
The table can be dropped down and becomes one big giant bed.
Electric toilets.
The cockpit is huge. I could have a big old party up in here. Are you ready for the nighttime boat tour? It's spicy.
You want to see? This boat has some amazing light. Very, very excited. Hot, sweating, but I'm gonna start taking off my clothes now.
We started out like this, but horrible life situations turned us into this.
The Sunny Sailor continues on.
I'm a bad motherfucker! For the Sunny Sailor, though, it's always paradise found.
I have done it! I have bought a boat! I'm so excited! So now I'm having to do all the computer work. I have it registered in St. Thomas. I'm doing my Coast Guard registration online to get it officially mine. Just let me get this stuff started and we're gonna play together. Hello, 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 hello. This is my new boat. I'm gonna give you a tour and you're gonna see just how amazing she is. Ta, ta, ta. This is my kitchen. I have an island. Yes, an island. This boat is so much bigger and wider than my other boat. Now, let me show you the rest of my boat.
This boat actually has an island. I can walk all the way around it. And what's underneath? Well, engine access. The island lifts all the way up. Oh my God! And you have full access to the engine.
I am very fortunate that my engine has access from 4 sides and it's easy to change the impeller, to change the oil. It's a great design.
Great design! And another adventure has been repowered with a Yanmar. The best. 56 horsepower, baby.
Here is my island and the stove and one of the bathrooms and then one of the cabins. Octopus! Inside here, beep, 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 is a water maker.
Which only makes 7 to 8 gallons an hour. But hey, it desalinates and makes water for all that I want water for.
Here's the nav station. Here is my salon. It's so big.
I would tell you, I've always wanted a boat that had telescopic table legs. The table can be dropped down and the entire salon area becomes one big giant bed.
You come through here. Here's another bedroom. And then there's this bathroom. Ta-ta-ta. Electric toilets. Electric toilets. I've never had a boat with an electric toilet and I'm so excited. And look at this place. It is amazing. Look at that. Got the TV working. Woo-woo! Look at that. Yeah, pots hanging up. An island. Now let's go to the outside. I have solar and a wind generator.
The cockpit is huge. I could have a big old party up in here. And don't forget about the autopilot. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, she's beautiful. And she's mine. Oh. I can go crawling up here. Does that happen? I love my boat. Are you ready for the after hours boat tour? Are you ready for the nighttime boat tour? It's gonna get spicy. My skylight, which is pretty damn cool. My red lights inside the boat. Kind of looks like a whorehouse. But it's my whorehouse. Rocks! And the red lights! Let's see what goes on down in this boat with my red lights. So this boat has some amazing lights that are dimmable. This one's red. This one is it white or blue? I can dim it. Oh, I'm sorry. Red, white, or red. And I can dim it or make it brighter. So some are blue, some are red. Some are blue, some are red. And there. So I have a freezer under here, a fridge over here. I can't wait to film some nasty things up in here. You want to see? Yes. I'm gonna go away. And then I'm back. I've never seen a boat with an island. Fucking cool as shit. This boat is amazing. It's mine. That's what else. I'm so excited. This is great. Very, very excited. And I'm hot and I'm sweating. But I'm gonna start taking off my clothes soon. Soon. She's mine. All mine. This is my first night on my boat. I am loving it. I'm excited about the boat being all mine. And she is. Look at that. Nancy to me. Because I'm happy. Yes! Thanks for watching from the Sunny Sailor. That's me on my new boat. Woohoo! Having adventures, having fun, and making content for you. My videos are also available on demand. You can check out my VOD, buy, or rent at TheSunnySailor. Me, still me. My special Patreon supporter. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is my income. This is my work, even though I enjoy it a lot. Please keep coming back. My adventures have just begun. They're going to get better and better. If you haven't done so, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow, both on this platform and on my website, TheSunnySailor.com. Yes, my website. Come back again and watch as I sail the Caribbean. I'm really doing it.